we take the unit circle and we put arc lengths on it, we can find coordinates. And sometimes we can, what I call, dance around, we're not going to, by the way, dance around the unit circle. So would you find this slide, show me the sign only slide, show me real quick. Got it? Good. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with something kind of easy. Here's theta equal to 30, or pi over 6. The coordinate with that is square root of 3 over 2 comma 1/2. Now, which is the sign, x or y? The y. So would you write 1/2? Now the dance we're going to do is we're going to start at this 0, and we're going to move up theta. And we'll end up at this coordinate, square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Now it's telling you to do the same theta and then add pi. The pi is exactly halfway. So it's like going straight through the center. And now you're going to get a new coordinate, which, by the way, is still square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, except in quadrant 3 they'll both be what? Negative. Yeah. So now, what is the sign of theta plus pi? We did theta, and we added pi. What did you end up? Negative 1/2. So we would put negative 1/2. Will you go ahead and see if you can use the same thinking to find each of these? This starts at 0, goes to theta, and then add or subtract pi, pi minus 0. Just do all of those. See what you come up with. So for the first one, we're going to start at theta, which is here, and then we're going to go back pi. So in the backwards direction, we're still going to end up in the same place. So what's the sign going to be? Negative 1/2. So that wasn't hard at all. But the next one is a whole different story. The next one, what you're going to do, I'm going to take this off. For the next one, what you're going to do is you're going to start at pi, and then you're going to back off theta. Okay, you're going to go back theta. So that's going to end up at an interesting place. If this was 30, this will also be 30, so this is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, positive 1/2. What's the sign for this one? That, just plain old pi. The easiest one. Start at theta, and then go around the circle once. Where are you going to end up? The exact same place, 1/2 again. Get up at the same coordinate. Now this last one is the tricky one. We're going to start at pi over 2. So if we start here and go back 30, well, this is going to back theta. This is going to be 30, and this is going to be 30, right? Back 30. So this coordinate is going to be just like this one, except what? Switch. 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. So for this one, it's just going to be square root of 3 over 2. That's what the y is. Did anybody get all of those right? Wow. Now the next one we're going to try is with cosine. You try these all with cosine. So for this being theta, you end up at from start at 0, you end up here. The cosine is the x, so this will be square root of 3 over 2. When I add pi, I end up in the point we were at before, negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. But the x is just going to be negative square root of 3 over 2. Did it change when you went theta minus pi or minus pi? That's the same thing. And then when I went here and back, for sine, it was switched from positive to negative. But for this one, negative square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, what's the cosine of this one? Negative square root of 3 over 2. So these all three are going to be the same as before. And then for theta plus 2 pi, you're going to get the same square root of 3 over 2. And then when I did the pi over 2, and then I went back theta, my coordinate is going to be switched. So you're going to get, they got all those right. Okay, good. Tomorrow we'll start looking at tangent, but we're not going to do that today. Go to day 2. In day 2, you're going to, at first, you're going to look on your unit circle, and right now, look in your unit circle, when is the sign, or the y, equal to a half? Tell me the two places where those are they equal to a half. Where do you see it? The sign is 1/2, the y 1/2. Use radians. 6, yeah. And then the other one is way over here. You try the next one. Cosine of the x. Let's have a unit circle. When is the x equal to negative square root of 3 over 2? Fire one off when you know one. Again, and so that's this one. And then the other, when the x is negative square root of 3 over 2, is going to be 7. So you'll do that with each of these. That'll be easy. Use your unit circle. You'll be able to do these now that we've talked about that. And then similar, use your unit circle for this. Don't have trouble there. And then this is a review from yesterday. Make sure you can do that. Would you go to number 65? 65. 65 would like you to find the sine and cosine for these points. So you're going to go back 7 of 24. Now this is the triangle that you're going to have. And this is going to be 7 and for 24. And then this is 7. So, this is 24, this is negative 7. What's the hypotenuse going to be? Could you figure it out? I'll do it. Find out what that hypotenuse is. Is that around 25? Yeah, it is 25. All right, so then when I'm getting the cosine, I'm going to take, if this is theta, negative 7 over 25. Notice it's just negative 7 over the hypotenuse, and then the sine is just going to be 24 over 25. And you'll do that for the next 3. And then this is the challenge. So, the time that's left, see if you can finish this and go backwards